You know, sometimes you just want to have a little bit of a beach feel whenever you have a cocktail. Welcome back, and today I'm going to create the Sea Breeze. Now, the Sea Breeze is very much a summer type of cocktail, or a very refreshing cocktail, one that some people would say would be like a vacation cocktail. Now, when I say that, I don't mean something like the Hurricane, or the Margarita, or a Daiquiri, like the blender type of drinks that you may know of, or like a Pina Colada. No, I don't mean it in that sense. Same thing with the Bushwhacker, which I did a while ago. No, the Sea Breeze is like a vacation type of drink, but it has its basis from the 1930s. Harry Craddock of the Savoy Cocktail Book first created the Sea Breeze Cooler. Now, the Sea Breeze Cooler was eventually surpassed by what we call the Sea Breeze today, but the Sea Breeze Cooler initially was equal parts of dry gin, apricot brandy, and then half of a lemon, and then a dash of grenadine. Served up in a tall glass with club soda, and you're set to go. I'm not making that today, no. Instead, I'm taking a page from the 1960s and Ocean Spray. For those that may not know, Ocean Spray does a number of drinks, especially fruit juices, that utilize cranberries, and was first created as a conglomerate for cranberries. So to incorporate cranberries into recipes and cocktails, Ocean Spray created a pamphlet and created a book that showed here's how you can utilize this tart fruit for breakfast, lunch, dinner, cocktails, you name it, and they have a way to do it. And the Sea Breeze was one of them, and let's make it. This is a build in a glass cocktail, which means grab the glass that you're going to use. I'm going to use this rocks glass. You could use a highball glass, which is a little bit taller than this if you want to. I'm just using that because it doesn't really make sense for me to have as much liquid as I have in a taller glass like the Collins glasses that I utilize. I'm going to fill this up with ice. Now that we're set up, I need grapefruit juice, freshly squeezed if at all possible. And I need 1.5 ounces of grapefruit juice, and I need 3 ounces of cranberry juice. Again, this is Ocean Spray. And now for the alcoholic component, I need vodka. I'm using Tito's, and I need 1.5 ounces of vodka. I'm gonna go bar spoon in. I'm just gonna give this a light stir. The garnish on this would be a lime wheel if you choose to. And this is a Sea Breeze. Cheers. Alright, that's fine. That's grapefruit forward. The grapefruit juice is there. Okay. It needed another minute. The cranberry juice hits late. You get the grapefruit, then the cranberry, and the vodka is just to make it alcoholic. Vodka, unless you have a flavored vodka, it's neutral taste. It's there to just up the alcohol content. So, no, this is fine. This is a good, this is a nice drink. I'd be careful on drinking more of these over the course of a day, but as far as a standard cocktail, this is fine. I'm okay with it. If you liked the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share. the video, please. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on my show, check down below. There's a link to kit.co, which has everything I utilize in my bar under the sun, aside from the alcohol, of course. They're all Amazon affiliate links, which you know what that means. If you click the link, make a purchase of the item, I receive a bit of the kickback. It helps out the channel. Thank you in advance if you choose to do so. You can find all my socials in the description below as well, and I am back to streaming. You can find me on the streaming sites that you see right here. I try to be online on Saturdays at 8 p.m, so come on by. Let's have a discussion, talk about the cocktails, talk about other drinks, have a fun time, maybe play a game or two, and, you know, just chill around. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.